Good afternoon, everyone. Myself Tanish Kumar from B1 section, and today's video I'll be presenting my overall semester and how was my experience regarding this elective information visualization. And yeah, I made few projects regarding throughout the semester. So yeah, I'll be presenting all of them at once. So yeah, let's go with the overview. Okay, the things which I have written in this are the points which were there, which were like taught throughout the semester to me, and what was my thought, what was my impact of the selective, and what was my sorry, yeah. So okay, my thoughts of information visualization. Okay, as per my perspective, this subject was and and it was an upgrading subject for me because I personally love the things which is visualized, and this elective gave me a chance where I can present anything through graph or visualizing the content given instead of making a descriptive code or a document of it. So yeah, this subject, like I think taking the subject was a beneficial and wasn't a right choice for me. Okay. So yeah, now the topics which were covered through the semester in my thought process are just give me a minute. Yeah, visualization using Matplotlib, using the Matplotlib library which is present in Python and R language. We should make a visualization using tab. Then next we did a visualization using Tableau where we taught how to use a Tableau and how can we visualize it. The next one is again visualization using Power BI. Power BI is similar to Tableau, but more efficient in my perspective. And the tools which I use most is Power BI compared to Tableau. Like I felt comfortable using Power BI rather than using Tableau. Next, we did a visualization using D3. D3 is an JavaScript JavaScript based coding where we write a code and visualize our what's say um, our data. Next, we did a visualization using Google Earth Engine. Personally speaking, Google Earth Engine was a very new topic for me, and through this elective, I gained a very good knowledge in the field of Google Earth Engine. And yeah, I made a project regarding the Google Earth Engine. Also, I'll be presenting everything. So yeah, my very first project is attendance visualization. This is my attendance visualization which I made using Matplotlib. I'll be showing the code. Yeah. So basically, in this code, I have imported my attendance, and I have compared it via different columns. One is using my taking my attendance percentage and the course code. Like each course subject, what was my attendance percentage? Second one was between the attendance percentage and the number of hours I was absent and the number of hours which were conducted in the class. Made up like simple bar graph, but yeah, it was fun using it in my opinion, and I got to know about my attendance percentage also. And the last one is the same as a pie chart, means the number of hours which were conducted with a different subject code. I haven't taken subject name because it might make a bit chaotic and clustered. So I prefer taking subject code. Okay. Then the next, here are some pictures which I have used from the same pictures. The next one which I have used is superstore sales analysis using Power BI. Just give me a minute. I'll just open this one. Yeah, and by the way, I made this PPT using Canva. So yeah. Yeah, this is a basic dashboard for the overview of our project, which is Global Sales Super. So I made this project with my one of my other teammate. His name is Amar Gupta, and yeah, it was fun making this. Where in this, it basically shows a comparison of different sales and quantity in different regions or countries. And here I made a 2 pages dashboard. When one shows the country of sales and number of deliveries, it shows these how what was the profit and the sum of the profit and sum of sales by different countries, and count of countries by market, like each market, what is the count of the countries in or by each market. Suppose Coca-Cola is there in which country, what is the count of the country present in Coca-Cola, like what is it, like in Asia, how much is the count of Coca-Cola, like what is the count of Coca-Cola in Asia, in Europe, like that. Next, it is sum of quality and sum of product. The same thing in the form of a pictorial bar graph. So yeah. So the next project which I have done was a data set of the of world's top two scientists using again using Power BI. As I mentioned before, so I was comfortable using Power BI rather than using Tableau. But yeah, I have gained knowledge in Tableau also, but not that much. But yeah, I have little bit knowledge in Tableau. I'll be showing this to you. I'll be showing this also. Yeah. So as this was our CD3 individual project, so I have done the basic comparison between basic comparison of two things using the given data set, which was provided by Stanford. Um, yeah. So this first visualization shows us a bar graph between the author's full name and the count of the ranking. What is the rank? Count of rank in each citing. The next one is it's based on the different countries it's loading, because it is a huge number of data set that's it's loading. So basically it says the ranking in each countries. The previous was with the authors. This is with via countries. Next one is like what is the first published first sighting and last sighting. We did a peer comparison via showing the like each author doing what was the count of first in his first year, what was the count in his last year. The count here comes the sighting count of sighting, and this is the average of NP sighting and author's full name, a line graph. And at the last we made a pictorial pie chart where it has number of sum of the rank via institution name. Here are some institutions and what is the count of rank via different institutions. This were some simple visualization graph. As I mentioned, this is more useful because like I am here like able to present and show everyone about like how can I like present a huge data, not writing a big line of code in but presenting it through this cool visualization techniques, like making a pie chart or making a very unique and innovative charts. Okay. Next we'll be going through the next project I made. As I mentioned, I made a project in Google Earth Engine also. This is as to be honest, Google Earth Engine, I don't have that much good experience because I am newly learning Google Engine. But for in further future, I'll be exploring Google Earth because it's very interesting. Downloading the data set from internet and just implementing it like it's fascinating. Okay, so I made an I'll just show you. Yeah, I made a pure analysis of the soil moisture in different in first I made in global and in India. So yeah, this is the code for the finding the visualizing the soil moisture using Google Earth Engine. So yeah, I'll be like giving a brief information about it. What does it does? First, we are like collecting the data, which is the map countries data. Then we are like making our region of interest. For me, I've taken the region of interest as India, as I'm Indian. So yeah, I've taken it as India. Then I made a layer. After that, a layer basically what does we do? We can even add a center of object. This one, which highlights the India main, and the adding a layer basically it's here, this layer I'm saying. See India, click, so just India, it just goes here. It goes okay. See, it's just highlighting this thing. It's taking a while, I understand, but because the next is we're importing the data set of the SMAP. This is the image collection of soil moisture. It is a NASA data set which is present in Google Earth Engine, and then I'm filtering out via date. I'm taking 2017 year and making a filter bound. Uh, Instead of writing this as we are mentioning here, like soil.clip ROI, region of interest, we do not need to even write this code for filtering the bound, because already we are like making a layer of here out here, like this Indian soil moisture one. So I don't think we need this part, but yeah, it doesn't affect the code eventually. Then I did some calculation out here using with median, and this soil moisture visualization basically shows the like this visualization part where it gives the minimum and maximum value with the palette is basically the color scheme which were used made for making this thing, which are green, green, white, blue, orange, yellow, five color palette. Then we are making two layers here. One for the global soil moisture, one for the Indian soil. If I want to show anyone if someone is asking me to show the Indian soil moisture, I'll be just clicking here the Indian one, and yeah, here you go. We have the Indian soil moisture. What is the Indian soil moisture? So okay, then how can someone understand this thing? Uh, the as if I go on satellite and click here, you can see there are a lot of greenery, and some here we have sand. So here each color means different thing. Like green, like here yellow means medium. So the soil moisture is medium. Orange means high. Blue means barren. It has very low soil moisture, and green means active. So if I go here, if I go on global, and if I come here, you can see there's a lot of blue color out here because Sahara Desert is there, and in Sahara Desert we know that the soil moisture is not that good comparing to out here, this one near Ecuador. So yeah, this is the center of object. Center of object basically does just highlight like going going to the given region. So it just highlights to the given region. So yeah. Yeah, so that is the project I made using Google search engine. I know it's a very basic project, but yeah, I tried learning this, and it was personally a very good experience learning Google Earth. There was a class also of Google Earth engine. So yeah, yeah, it was good. Okay. Now I'm be talking about what was what will be the impact of this elective in my career. Yes, if in the corporate this corporate world, I'll be like, if someone asks me to present give it a huge chunk of data and visualize present in a like creative or impressive manner. I'll be using this tool Power BI or I will say Google search engine for showing the data. Google search engine if we have any geographic data, I'll be using Google search engine. If I have like some sales data or any analysis I have to do, I'll be preferring Power BI. Even though I have a, like a intermediate knowledge in the coding side of Python, but I still prefer Power BI because it's easy and convenient. So yeah, that's it from my side. And here Tanish Kumar, registration number 086 from B1 section, signing off. Thank you.